Honor your own talents and honor the talents of others, the spiritual talents, the etheric talents, the psychic talents. Honor them, your intuition, your inner knowing. I am Quan Yin. Open your hands to receive the blessings of the flowers. Open your hands to receive a blessing now. I ask you to hold the palms up. I ask you to hold the palms up over your head as high as you can reach, fingers pointing out to the left and to the right, palms flat towards the sky, and then turn up the third eye. Now I ask you to tone 9 times and receive. During these tones, receive blessings from the flowers. Catch the thoughts of flowers, the images, the names of them. Catch them and then speak with those flowers. Work with them. I am Quan Yin 9 times. I am Quan Yin, holy basil, mint, rosemary, pansies, roses, jasmine, freesia, geraniums, petunias, daisies, asters, sweet williams, bachelor buttons, dragons, snapdragons, zinnias, dahlias, chrysanthemums, breathing in the energy, the flowers, they come. You are flowers in my garden. They are flowers in my garden. Together you heal the earth and the planet Earth. Together you heal the earth and the planet Earth. Plant something, garden, get a small pot and some seeds. Nourish it and nurture it. And recognize that as it pushes its way through the seed pod and sprouts up through the soil, it is going through the same journey of growth and blossoming that you are. These small rituals, these caring for a living thing, are important for you. Many of your lives are still caught up in your 3D form, the idea of working and it being hard. Shift it perhaps. This is my space of being aware. I am going for 8 hours to work in the kitchen, to work behind the typewriter, to work behind the computer, to work with the pen, to work with the scalpel, to work with my hands massaging another, to work with my hands helping people's feet, to work with my hands cutting out fabric, to work with my hands weaving, to work with my hands painting, to work with my hands in other people's hair, on their bodies. I am Quan Yin. When you identify fully with the part of yourself that works for survival and you don't see it as joy, as play, as dance, as fluid movement, then you cut yourself off from the dimensions that can feed you. Look at the tasks that you dislike the most in your life. Perhaps it's doing the taxes, washing the dishes, raking the leaves, going to work, whatever it is. Look at it right now. Look at it through the eyes of this is a moment in time that I will practice mindfulness, awareness. I will use my commute to work to be mindful. I will use my commute to work to sing praise. I will use my commute to work to be centered and aware of my breath, the space around me, and how I can shift that space and create spaciousness for my being with my intention, with my awareness. I am Quan Yin. I speak to you from the garden.